bird seed in a Ziploc bag. You just pour it into the bird feeder.
That's a good idea.
I'll take a whole bag of school. We're trying to get it in a blizzard.
Good plan. Okay. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm on a mission. We're supposed to have a blizzard today. It hadn't started yet. I think they said it was going to start about 8. It's almost 8. Of course, you know how that goes. They tell you stuff on the weather. And I've been out here once and shoveled already. We've got a situation where Honey Baby was saying it'd be good if we cleaned out the bird feeder, put some seeds in there for the birds, because they.
Yeah.
Well, Charlie thinking about coming out?
Yeah.
He changed his mind pretty quick, didn't he?
Yeah.
Well, it's hot.
It's piling up there now.
Yeah, it is. I just said I'm gonna shovel out a little bit here and get out the bird feeder so we can feed the birds. Also, we kind of try to keep a little path here for Charlie to walk on. I'm gonna just sit y'all in the snowbank here. You can watch me as I make progress in the outwardly direction here. This is a bird feeder mission, trying to help the little birdies. It's deeper back in here than it is over here. I think the way the wind's blowing on this side of the house. I was sitting in there a while ago looking out the window, and I noticed at one time it was all blowing in one direction, and then a few minutes later it's all blowing in the other direction. So it keeps whipping around between the house and the barn here. I'll put y'all down here and we'll go see if we can stock up the bird feeder. Maybe she said not to do it because it's got something in there. So while I'm out here, I'm just going to go ahead and shovel a trail on around the corner of the house there toward where the compost bin is. You can see how the wind builds a ridge along the edge of the barn and piles it all up over there. So I'm going to try to just dig out a path. I'm going to be doing a lot of digging with the shovel today. That'd make a nice picture, wouldn't it?